Guys, again welcome to YouTube channel of LisicaTech. Today we're going to know about generative AI. What is it? So सबको पता है generative AI आजकल मतलब मार्केट में चल रहा है, ठीक मतलब पॉपुलर है, बट आई थिंक सबको आइडिया नहीं है व्हाट इज generative AI actually is. So I thought, why don't I get a basic tutorial about generative AI? Okay. So generative AI is a artificial intelligence product. Okay. So it's itself so advanced that it can make product like ChatGPT and image generation and AI products. Right, for example, if you write some prompt, it's going to give you the information, right? So this kind of powerful it is. So, but I'm going to say you one thing, that is it is nothing new. Okay, ये आजकल का चीज़ नहीं है, ठीक है, ये चल रहा है बहुत पहले से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू गो टू दिस डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, ये जो गटनर का है, आई गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड विद द लिंक इन द कमेंट्स. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो अगर ये देखोगे इस डेट को, अगर ठीक से देखोगे, ये 2010 में चालू हुआ था. ओके, the natural what is the journey actually it is. So in 2010 what is starting of the natural language processing. Then in 2014 it started to mastering this meaning of the words. Means ये अल्फ़ाबेट को जानना चालू किया, ये कैसे वर्क मतलब वर्ड्स को कैसे वर्क होता है उसको ट्रेन कर गया, ठीक है, ट्रेंड हो गया. उसके बाद 2017 एंड 22 में वो started to formation the languages. Okay, and finally in 2022 it started to convert these languages into actual products. तो ये सब हुआ, मतलब ये चैट जीपीटी ये सब 2022 में हुआ. ओके, so we all know where the chat gpt is built by OpenAI, but this is the product of generative AI. Okay, because generative is the reason behind building chat gpt. Okay, मतलब generative AI अगर ना होता ना तो चैट जीपीटी नहीं आता. ओके, generative AI से ही मतलब it is made by generative AI technology. Okay, so it is actually a generative AI product, ChatGPT. Now we're going to see some types and we're going to see what is the risk, what is the advantages, what is the how to use it. Okay, so now in generative AI there are certain types. Okay, the first type is text based generative AI. So where we write some prompt, it's going to give you the brief information about that thing. For example, if I use that is my team is interested in ChatGPT, if I click on it, see it's going to give me all the information related to ChatGPT, right? Now the second thing comes, that is image based generative AI. So where you write some prompt, it's going to produce a image. Okay, for example, if I write this, see it's going to produce an image of Mona Lisa, right? Now the second comes audio based generative AI. If I write a prompt, it's going to produce audio. For example, if I want to listen a song of a peaceful song, okay, or maybe a romantic song, whatever I want, I just write the prompt and going to enter this, and it's going to generate audio for me, right? See, it already generated audio. So this is the type of audio based generative AI, and now comes video based generative AI. So see, this is the video. Okay, this I think you cannot understand what is the video is speaking, right? So after I want to enhance this, see I have given the prompt and I have give him a image what I want to enhance. Okay, for example if I write it, see अगर इसमें इस इमेज में देखोगे, ये देखो पूरा क्लियर हो गया, राइट? अभी देख पा रहे हो, राइट? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस इमेज एंड अपर इमेज, राइट? आफ्टर द एनहांसिंग. So there are four types of, that is text based, image based, ऑडियो बेस्ड एंड वीडियो बेस्ड generative AI. ओके, ये सब मतलब जनरेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, and what is the actual, after knowing the types and all that, what is the risk and what is the advantages? Okay, for example, advantage is that it's going to make people work faster. Okay, more and more 10x faster. Okay, but there's also a risk. For example, if the advantage is like people for example, if you want to make a logo for your company, you don't need to hire a expensive logo makers or a graphic designer to make your simple logo, right? If you go to the chat gpt or any kind of generative AI tool website, you're going to write some prompt like I want this kind of logo, and it's going to produce or it's going to make a logo for you within a second, right? So this might be a very much advantage for you, but there is also a disadvantage. For example, if this started to snatch jobs of video editor or graphic designer, whatever the people who are in this market, they're going to lose these jobs, right? That's why we should use or make this generative AI in certain limits, so that it helps the people to make the work first and instead of taking their jobs. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, this is the risk, and there is also advantage and there is also a disadvantage, right? And what is the ethics of using generative AI? We should not totally depend on this generative AI products, because for example, let me share my experience. Okay, for example, I was giving a quiz exam of any kind of website, or I think. Okay, I was totally I thought, why don't I cheat? Okay, for example, I planned that I'm going to copy the question of the quiz and paste in the chat GPT, and whatever the answer given by the chat GPT, I'm going to paste in the quiz, or choose the MCQ options, whatever the option given by the chat GPT, right? So after, when I all the thing process has been done completely successfully, but when the time of result, okay, you would be shocked. Okay, I got only 33%. That time I understand that ChatGPT not always right. Okay, so but in future it may get more advanced, that it doesn't make any mistakes, but that going to be very much a bad impression in the society, because it's going to take away the jobs, it's going to make students life much more lazy, or the people going to, I think the cheating or the online class, or taking online exam would much more in a in a in a risk. Okay, because if there is a chat GPT, anyone can score 100, right? So that's the thing. This is the advantage and disadvantage and all that. So I think company will think about this, because I think government also working on it. They're going to make chat GPT or these generative AI tools in a certain level, so that it makes people's work faster instead of taking their jobs, right? So this is the whole thing. Okay, thank you.